Hi everyone, welcome back to Leighton Vans. Only me again, just with a quick intro for our next Leighton series video, which is the slalom test. So in this video, we pitched all the vans down a slalom, standard van, standard LV on lowering springs, and the LV demo van with the coilovers, big brake kit, and H&R anti-roll bars. And we had one driver, so we had Neil driving, so there was there's no discrepancies with drivers or anything like that. And we sent him down the slalom and got him to tell us what he thought. Welcome everyone again to Leighton Park. We're still here, still with the guys at the Road to Mastery. We've got the LVR demo van behind us and we're at our first test for the day. So what we're doing, Rob?
So Neil's going to be getting into all of the vans and comparing on this first exercise a slalom. We've selected a pretty real world speed, only 40 miles an hour. I say only with some amusement because it sounds quite slow. Obviously it's going to be a lot more visually dynamic than people are possibly expecting. And the obvious comparison here is between the standard van and the suspension upgrades that come on the LV versions. So yeah, it's going to be interesting.
It's going to be interesting. So we'll get our tame racing driver Neil into the van and set him off on his first run, I think.
And shall we
get out of the way? So how was that?
It's good.
Yeah,
it was good.
Three vans, three very different setups.
Yeah, absolutely.
What do we think?
The standard van is, again, it's really capable. It's a great platform. The reality is the wallowness, the lack of support in the seats, it just doesn't give you the confidence that it's going to be all right. The irony is it's got good road holding. It will do things, but you've got to trust it.
Yeah.
The great thing is getting in straight into the Leighton vans, you know, the standard Leighton van as it is that we're used to driving a lot. It just gives you the confidence, a little bit extra bolstering in the seat, really helpful. And the way the car, the van, it's kind of almost like a car. You know, the way that it works through, you're feeling, well, I know I'm getting towards the tyre limits here, 40 miles an hour, really pushing these things, but it just feels good. And then you get into this one, and it's that little bit lower, it's that little bit crisper. The bolsters, for me, of all the upgrades, I honestly think the bolsters are the best one. It might sound silly, but it just makes you feel really comfortable. Inspires the confidence, and I tell you what, we were reaching the tyre limit of the standard van, and I was reaching the tyre limit of the standard LV van, but this one didn't squeal. This one had a little bit left in hand. There's not a lot, but there's a little bit left. So the coilover kit in this scenario, it's giving you the confidence, it's leaning nicely. It'd be interesting to see the footage and see what the leaning really looks like. But as the van's working through, it's just helping control that tyre that little bit better. So as an objective type test, that's a good thumbs up for me. It really is. There's a good scale progression as you'd expect to see.
Awesome. So, on to the next one, I think.
On to the next one, let's go do some braking.
Mega, let's do it.